Hi everyone, so let's talk about the procedure of the storytelling class. As you know, after deciding which level of the kids we are going to tell the story with, so we'll follow the procedure. There are three stages I should recommend you here. The first stage is that you introduce the name of the story or the book and then talk something about the cover page. And then the second stage, you read through the books from the beginning to the end without stopping. Why do we need to do this? You know that because at the first time they listen to the story, the kids are very attentive and they will listen to everything that you say. Therefore, if you stop and explain, somehow that will interrupt or disturb their memorizing or attention. Therefore, you shouldn't. You just read the first time from the beginning to the end of the story. If you want to explain or to do something, maybe the second time reading for the other day. And the next stage is that interaction. Normally, after reading a story, we should have a few questions for the small kids, like, do you like the story? Do you like the characters in the story, for example? And for the big kids, of course, it's best when you can create some activities such as drama, acting, doing some question and answer, for example, so that you can see that if they understand or not, or they can show the feeling about the characters in the story. And of course, as you know, it's not easy to read story for kids because that requires a lot of skill. However, now the thing I'd like to share with you is the way how to hold the books. As you know, some teacher, they may hold the book this way on top. Yes, and then they open. So I myself recommend you and the teacher, you should hold it at the bottom like this, so that when you open, it will be much convenient for you. Yes, and then after turning the page like this, yes, so you can point at the book, and then also it's very convenient for you to do that. And what's next? You should pay attention. Some of you raise the book up like this. Some of you put it too down low. So right at the high so that you can see and everyone can listen to it and the kids can watch it easily. Okay, that's what I like to tell you about the procedure of the storytelling. Thank you for listening.